experiment is acceptance angle and numerical aperture of an optical fiber. And the aim of the experiment is to determine the acceptance angle and numerical aperture of the given optical fiber. The apparatus required are laser source, optical fiber, screen and scale. And the formula to determine the acceptance angle is theta naught, that is acceptance angle, is equal to tan inverse of capital D by 2L, where capital D is diameter of the bright circle formed on a screen and L is distance between the optical fiber and screen. And what is theta naught is acceptance angle. You can see this is the optical fiber. We know the structure of the optical fiber, where the innermost portion is the core and the surrounding is the cladding. And theta naught, you can see here, the maximum angle that light ray can be guided to the optical fiber so that it suffers total internal reflection and it reaches the other end. So what is the theta naught for the given optical fiber we should determine. That's the aim of the experiment. So let us conduct the experiment. Here this is the table column. We are having trial number, distance of the optical fiber from the screen. We are varying it as 1.5 centimeter to 2.5 centimeter. Then we are going to get the bright circle on the screen, for which we can note down the horizontal diameter and vertical diameter. Take the mean, we are going to get D. So from the values of L and T, it is possible to determine theta naught. So I will show you some two trials so that you can do the remaining trials. So here we are having the screen. This is the screen and this is the laser source, scale. These are the apparatus required. Screen, this is the optical fiber, laser source. Here we are having a coupler which guides the light from the laser to the optical fiber. So we are having a coupler here, right? So now let us start the first trial. Before starting the trial, so we have to fix the graph sheet to the screen, right? To the screen we have to fix and ensure that the fiber end is touching the screen, and also the pointer is reading 0 on the scale. So this is the initial setup you must make. Ensure that 0 of the scale is at the pointer and the fiber is touching the screen. This means x is equal to 0. Now that is L is equal to 0. Now let us move for the first trial. L is 1 centimeter. So now it is L is equal to 0. I will move L is equal to 1 centimeter. So now the pointer is reading 1 centimeter. It means that the fiber end, optical fiber end, is away from the screen by 1 centimeter. L is equal to 1 centimeter. Now what you should do is, you can see now the bright circle. You mark the outer edges of this bright circle at minimum 4 sides. This is horizontal. I am marking. Now I am marking the vertically the outer edges of the brighter circle. This is for L is equal to 1 centimeter. So for L is equal to 1 centimeter, I will mark the outer edges, from which with the help of a compass you have to make a circle, the brighter circle. This is the brighter circle I obtained on the screen, for which you measure what is the horizontal diameter d1, let it be d1. You can see here from the graph also you can calculate it is about 1.5, almost 1.9 centimeter, approximate I'll write it as 2 centimeter. And then you also calculate what is the vertical diameter. So d2 here is also 1.8 centimeter. So you take the mean of this, the horizontal diameter and vertical diameter, you are going to get d. So you are going to get d, let us say average of this 2 centimeter and 1.8 is 1.9 centimeter. Okay, so for L is equal to 1 centimeter, I got d as 1.9 centimeter. So that I am recording here, right? So L is equal to 1 centimeter, horizontal diameter is 2 centimeter, vertical diameter is 1.8 centimeter, average is 1.9. Then you can calculate theta naught, and also you can determine numerical aperture. Then let us move on to second trial. Okay, so 1.5 centimeter, or I'll show you the 2 centimeter. Again, fix the graph sheet. You can see here L is at 1 centimeter. That is for the earlier trial. Now I am moving to 2 centimeter. You can also move to 1.5. So I am doing it for 2 centimeter. You can see here now the diameter of the brighter circle is increased as compared to the 1 centimeter. So this is for 2 centimeter. You mark the edges of this brighter circle. Edges of the brighter circle, you mark it carefully. You can take it out with the help of a compass. You draw a circle. Then again you measure what is the horizontal diameter. So now it is about 2.3 centimeter. D1 is 2.3 centimeter, and vertical diameter D2 2.5 centimeter. So right, you record here for 2 centimeter. I am recording. Horizontal is 2.3 centimeter, vertical is 2.5 centimeter, average is 2.4. So that is for L. So using this formula you can calculate theta naught, and also you can calculate numerical aperture, which is sin of theta naught. I will show you the recorded readings. So these are the recorded readings for trial number 1. L is equal to 1 centimeter, 1.5, vertical diameter 1.5, D is 1.5, theta naught is 36.8, numerical aperture is 0.59. Now change to L as 1.5, horizontal diameter 2, vertical diameter 2, mean diameter is 2, then calculate theta naught using the formula tan inverse of D by 2L, 33.6, and numerical aperture is 0.5. So like this you can also do third trial by keeping L is 2, and fourth trial by keeping L is equal to 2.5 centimeter. You can calculate theta naught and also numerical aperture, and you can see the numerical aperture for the given optical fiber is about 0.5, and acceptance angle is 34.48.